Well, all of my life I've had people say, well, you can't do that. No, there's no way. So you don't do that, as if that was that. And you sit right back, you accept all of that. Well, I was born willful, I've never known fear. I've always known someday I was gonna make it out of here. Well, all of the time they kept on putting me down. They said that I was gonna rot here in this nowhere kind of town. Well, I said, hey, hey. After the show, there was a knock at the door. Some guy that I used to know.